6 powerful ways to deal with people who put you down. First, understand their motives. When someone puts you down, it's often more about them than it is about you. They may be projecting their insecurities or seeking to feel better about themselves by diminishing others. Instead of internalizing their words, remind yourself of your value and focus on what makes you strong and unique. Second, don't engage emotionally. When someone is trying to provoke you, staying calm is your superpower. Responding with anger or defensiveness gives them the reaction they want. Instead, take a deep breath and stay composed. This disarms them and shows that you're in control. Third, set boundaries. If someone consistently belittles you, it's crucial to let them know their behavior is unacceptable. Use assertive but respectful language like, "I don't appreciate being spoken to that way." Clear boundaries protect our mental health and self-esteem. Fourth, focus on self-validation. When someone puts you down, it can shake your confidence. Counter this by affirming your own worth. Remind yourself of your strengths, achievements, and positive qualities. Fifth, focus on self-improvement. Use criticism as fuel for growth when it's constructive, but don't let destructive comments hold you back. Build your confidence by setting and achieving goals, cultivating your skills, and reminding yourself of your accomplishments. Confident people are less affected by the opinions of others and more resilient in the face of negativity. Finally, surround yourself with positivity. Limit your exposure to toxic people and spend more time with those who uplift and support you. Your environment plays a huge role in your mental health, so choose relationships that encourage growth and kindness. Dealing with negativity isn't easy, but remember, you have the power to protect your peace. You can rise above the hurtful words of others. Your value isn't defined by their opinions. It's defined by how you see yourself.